Are you looking for the best French manicure products to achieve that classic, elegant look at home? Whether you're a pro or just starting out, having the right tools is key to a flawless French manicure. In this video, we'll break down 5 of the top products for French manicures that will help you create salon-quality nails in the comfort of your own home. From gels to kits, we've got everything covered to make sure your nails are perfect. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, C&D Shellac French Manicure. The C&D Shellac French Manicure is a high-quality, long-lasting product designed to deliver that professional, polished look. Known for its chip-free formula, this product allows you to achieve a flawless French manicure in no time. With a smooth, easy-to-apply consistency, it's a favorite among both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. C&D Shellac is perfect for those who want a durable and glossy finish, ensuring that your nails will look fresh for weeks. This product is ideal for anyone seeking that classic French look, whether you're just starting out or a seasoned nail enthusiast. Key features: the C&D Shellac French Manicure Kit features 2 key products, C&D Shellac Base Coat and C&D Shellac Top Coat, along with the iconic French White and French Pink shades. The base coat ensures proper adhesion to the nail, while the top coat provides a durable, shiny finish. These products are specifically designed to work together to ensure the longevity of your manicure. The colors are easy to apply, offering a smooth and streak-free finish that's perfect for French tips. Additionally, C&D Shellac offers a UV curing system that speeds up the process, making it easier for users to achieve perfect nails. Benefits and usage: C&D Shellac French Manicure offers several benefits, including long-lasting wear and a flawless finish. The gel formula is chip-resistant, meaning your nails will remain intact for up to 2 weeks without chipping or peeling. The easy-to-use system helps achieve the perfect French tips, whether you want to keep them subtle or make a bold statement with a more defined white tip. To use, simply apply the base coat, followed by the French Pink, and finish with the French White tip for a clean, fresh look. Cure each layer under a UV lamp for best results. Usability: using the C&D Shellac French Manicure Kit is straightforward, even for beginners. The products are designed to be applied smoothly, with each layer curing under UV light in just a few minutes. Whether you're applying the gel to natural nails or enhancing extensions, the French Pink and French White shades glide on easily and don't require any special techniques. For flawless application, make sure to apply thin layers and cure them fully. It's a user-friendly system with clear instructions, ensuring that you get professional quality results every time. Durability: one of the standout features of the C&D Shellac French Manicure is its incredible durability. This system lasts up to 14 days without chipping, smudging, or peeling, making it ideal for anyone who needs a manicure that will stay perfect through daily activities. The UV curing formula ensures that the finish is rock solid, offering a glossy, professional shine that doesn't dull over time. Whether you're washing dishes, typing on your keyboard, or doing other daily tasks, the C&D Shellac French Manicure can handle it all without losing its luster. In the second spot, we have LeChat French Tip Gel. The LeChat French Tip Gel is a highly rated product known for its premium quality and long-lasting results. This French manicure gel is designed for both professional use and at-home enthusiasts who want to achieve salon-quality nails. LeChat offers a rich and smooth formula that delivers precise, sharp French tips without streaks or unevenness. It's an excellent choice for those looking for an easy-to-use gel that provides stunning, consistent results every time, ensuring that your French manicure is as beautiful and crisp as possible. Key features: LeChat French Tip Gel features a thick consistency, which makes it ideal for achieving sharp, defined French tips. The gel formula is designed for use with a UV light to ensure proper curing and maximum longevity. It comes in various shades to suit different skin tones, from the classic white tip to soft pinks, allowing you to create a variety of French manicure styles. The gel provides a smooth, streak-free application, with enough time for adjustments before curing. The kit also includes a brush for precise application, ensuring clean, even strokes every time. Benefits and usage. The LeChat French Tip Gel offers a variety of benefits, including ease of use and long-lasting wear. The gel consistency is thick enough to avoid any streaks, allowing you to create neat, well-defined tips that last for weeks. The product can be used on both natural nails and tips, making it versatile for different nail designs. To use, apply the base coat, then paint the French Tip Gel on the tips of your nails. Cure each layer under the UV lamp for best results. The gel stays put, meaning you won't have to worry about smudges or chips during your daily activities. Usability. Using the LeChat French Tip Gel is simple, even for beginners. The product comes with detailed instructions, and the thick gel formula allows you to create precise lines with minimal effort. The included brush makes it easy to apply the gel to your nails without worrying about smudging or uneven lines. It's a great option for those new to gel manicures as well as for those who want a faster, more efficient way to create French tips. Be sure to cure each layer thoroughly under UV light to ensure proper drying and durability. Durability. LeChat French Tip Gel offers excellent durability, making it ideal for anyone who needs a manicure that will last. The gel formula is chip-resistant and can last up to 2 weeks with proper care. Once cured, the tips stay crisp and intact, even through regular activities such as typing, washing dishes, or exercising. The glossy finish doesn't dull over time, so your French manicure remains just as beautiful as the first day you applied it. For a long-lasting result, be sure to follow all the steps and allow each layer to cure properly. Coming in at number 3 is the Modelones French Kit. The Modelones French Kit is a complete set designed for achieving flawless French manicures at home. Known for its high-quality products and affordability, this kit includes everything you need to create a professional-looking French manicure. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced nail artist, Modelones offers an easy-to-use system that ensures precise, beautiful results every time. The kit comes with a variety of gel colors, including the perfect shades of French pink and white, giving you the flexibility to customize your look. Key features. The Modelones French Kit includes several essential products: a base coat, top coat, French white gel, French pink gel, and a brush for perfecting your tips. The gel formula is highly pigmented, offering vibrant, clean tips without streaking or fading. Additionally, the kit includes a UV/LED lamp for proper curing and ensuring that your French tips are set for long-lasting wear. The brush included in the kit helps with creating defined, crisp lines that mimic a professional French manicure. Benefits and usage. The Modelones French Kit is perfect for both beginners and professionals who want to create a flawless French manicure. The gel is easy to apply and doesn't require advanced skills, making it accessible for those who are new to the world of gel nails. The kit's all-in-one system ensures that you have everything you need for a perfect French manicure, including detailed instructions for a step-by-step guide. To use, apply the base coat, followed by the French pink gel for the base. Then, paint the tips with the French white gel, and finish with the top coat for a glossy shine. Usability. The Modelones French Kit is incredibly user-friendly, making it a great choice for those who are just starting with French manicures or for anyone who wants a quick and easy way to achieve professional results. The gel glides on smoothly without clumping or streaking, and the brush provided allows for precise application. The UV/LED lamp included in the kit helps you cure each layer quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking for a traditional French manicure or something a little more modern, the Modelones French Kit provides you with the tools and shades you need for a stunning look. Durability. Modelones French Kit provides exceptional durability, with results that can last up to 2 weeks without chipping or peeling. The gel formula is long-lasting, ensuring that your French manicure will stay intact through your everyday activities. The top coat offers a glossy finish that doesn't fade over time, while the French white gel maintains its crisp, defined edges. For best results, be sure to follow the application process. Taking our 4th spot is Red Carpet French Manicure. The Red Carpet French Manicure Kit is a complete solution for creating professional-grade French manicures at home. This kit includes high-quality products designed to deliver flawless, long-lasting results. With a variety of gel colors and a fast-drying formula, Red Carpet's French Manicure Kit is perfect for those who want salon-quality nails in the comfort of their own home. The kit is designed to provide everything you need for a clean, crisp French manicure without the hassle. Key features: the Red Carpet French Manicure Kit includes a base coat, top coat, French white gel, French pink gel, and a brush for creating perfect tips. The gel formula is smooth and easy to apply, offering a clean finish with minimal effort. The products are UV cured, ensuring that your manicure lasts for up to 2 weeks. The gel is also chip resistant and provides a high gloss shine that remains intact throughout the wear time. The kit is designed to be easy to use, with instructions that guide you through the process from start to finish. Benefits and usage: Red Carpet's French Manicure Kit is ideal for anyone looking for an easy and professional way to create French tips. The gel formula glides on smoothly, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. To use, simply apply the base coat, followed by the French pink gel as the base color. After curing, apply the French white gel to create the tips, and finish with the top coat for a glossy finish. The gel cures quickly under a UV lamp, ensuring that your nails dry quickly and are ready to go. Usability: the Red Carpet French Manicure Kit is designed to be easy to use, even for beginners. The brush included in the kit allows for smooth, precise application, and the gel formula is forgiving, allowing you to make adjustments before curing. The UV curing process ensures that your nails dry quickly, so you don't have to wait around for your manicure to set. The kit also includes detailed instructions that walk you through each step, ensuring that your French tips turn out perfect every time. Durability: the Red Carpet French Manicure Kit provides excellent durability, with results that can last up to 2 weeks without chipping or peeling. The gel formula is chip resistant, ensuring that your manicure stays intact throughout your daily activities. The top coat provides a glossy finish that doesn't dull over time, keeping your nails looking fresh and polished. Whether you're working, cleaning, or enjoying your daily routine, your French manicure will remain intact with Red Carpet's long-lasting formula. And finally, at number 5, we have Deborah Lippmann French Kit. The Deborah Lippmann French Kit is a luxurious, high-end kit designed for those who want to achieve a professional-grade French manicure with ease. Known for its premium quality ingredients, Deborah Lippmann's products are a favorite among nail enthusiasts who want a sophisticated, long-lasting look. The kit includes everything you need for a flawless French manicure, including base and top coats, as well as perfect shades for French tips. Key features: the Deborah Lippmann French Kit comes with a base coat, top coat, and 2 French manicure colors, a sheer nude pink and a crisp white tip. The formula is free from harmful chemicals like toluene, formaldehyde, and DBP, making it a safer option for your nails. The colors are beautifully pigmented, giving your nails a clean, bright, and natural appearance. The application process is smooth, and the products are designed to provide a high-gloss finish that looks like it came from a salon. Benefits and usage: Deborah Lippmann's French Kit offers many benefits, including its eco-friendly and non-toxic ingredients. The colors in the kit are versatile, making it easy to customize your French manicure to suit your personal style. To use, apply the base coat followed by the nude pink shade, then create your French tips with the white polish. Finish with the top coat to seal in the color and provide a shiny finish. With this kit, you can easily create a chic, timeless French manicure that will impress. Usability: the Deborah Lippmann French Kit is designed for ease of use, even for those with little experience in doing manicures at home. The smooth formula ensures an even application, and the colors are easy to work with. The brushes provided allow for precise application, making it easy to create sharp, clean lines for your French tips. The instructions included are straightforward, ensuring that you achieve perfect results every time. Durability: Deborah Lippmann's French Kit offers impressive durability. The high-quality formula provides a long-lasting finish that can withstand daily activities. The top coat gives a glossy, chip-resistant finish that helps your French manicure stay intact for up to 2 weeks. Whether you're typing on a keyboard, doing household chores, or simply relaxing, your French tips will stay intact and shiny throughout the duration of wear. Now that you've seen the top French manicure products on the market, you can make an informed decision on which one is best for your needs. Whether you're looking for long-lasting results, easy application, or a luxurious finish, these 5 products deliver exceptional results. With the right tools, you can achieve a beautiful French manicure at home that rivals any salon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews.